Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about this blue station and what we're supposed to be doing and how to learn how to study. The point of this station is to teach you how to study with a group mate, with a friend, with a family member, with someone over FaceTime, with me talking at you even though I'm not really there. One of the things that I noticed is that some of you don't know how to study. One way that you can study is by using flashcards. To make flashcards, I'm going to grab a piece of paper. Any piece of paper works. I'm just going to take the paper and make as many pieces as I need. Listen to some paper ripping ASMR. From there, I'll take my paper and I'll use my work to help me write flashcards. I'm going to start with the easy one because I'm lazy. Foes. On one piece of paper, on one side, I'll write the vocab word. Then I'll flip the paper over and write the definition on the back. And then I'll use it to study. All I have to do is ask myself, what does the word foes mean? After I guess, I'll then see if I'm right. I think foes means enemies, like Miss Rosakis and Miss Adabanola. I'm right. If I had someone at home or I called my friend on FaceTime or something, I could study with them like that. The cool thing about flashcards is I could also just do it all by myself. I could also use some of those flashcards to help me study for spelling. For example, I can use it the opposite way and say, which vocab word is enemies? I know, foes. And I will not look at how to spell it, and I'll quiz myself. F-O-E-S. I'm right. That's how easy studying can be with flashcards. And then I can use those flashcards on my friends as well. Now, if we're talking about a spelling test, it's a lot harder to try and study for a spelling test. Miss G, how am I supposed to study for my spelling test when all of the words are already there? I will see it. One good way is to take that orange paper that Miss G always gives me and have someone else around me ask me to spell the words. So let's try it. Everyone, spell the word shelter. Let's double check. Did you spell it S-H-E-L-T-E-R? Shelter. I could have my friends or my family members around me check in and make sure that I spelled it correctly. If I'm alone, then one thing that I can do is practice writing the word and sounding it out. I'm going to take another paper and try it myself. Shh. I know that. S-H. Sh. L. Shelter. It's a good thing that I have my orange paper here to help me out. And in case I don't, it's a good thing Miss G already put it in Google Classroom for me. Now that you've learned everything, it's your turn. Take some moments right now and study with the group mates that you have. You can make your own flashcards. You can use all of these. I got them all out there for you. Or you can study for your spelling test. The words are in Google Classroom if you don't have them right now. Good luck, happy studying. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Bye.